Hi, I'm Doug Tarry from Doug Tarry Homes. Many people know that cigarette smoking is Canada's leading cause of lung cancer, but can you name the second leading cause? Exposure to radon is the second leading cause of lung cancer and the leading cause for non-smokers. Over 3,000 Canadians die from radon exposure every year. If you smoke and live in a home with high radon levels, you compound the risk of developing lung cancer. But what if there's a simple way to prevent radon exposure and save lives? There is, but to understand why it's not helping us today, here are a few facts about radon. Radon is a naturally occurring radioactive gas that develops when radioactive metals break down in rock, soil, and groundwater. The air containing radon can come in through your home's foundation and cracks and gaps in basements. When you breathe in radon gas, radioactive particles are trapped in your lungs. At higher levels, it is unsafe. Fortunately, there's a simple radon test kit available at your neighborhood hardware store for testing radon levels. Or better yet, consider installing a soil gas barrier in your new home construction that prevents radon infiltration. The price, absorbed in the building cost of a home, is minor, and a low gas permeability barrier could save your life. And that's why at Doug Tarry Homes, we've partnered with Great Northern Insulation to install a soil gas barrier in every home we build. However, we still advise everyone to test their home to make sure it's safe. If you're like us, you may wonder why this type of testing and barrier is not standard when building a new home. That's a fantastic question for your local regulator. Get your home tested and lobby your local government and home building association for better regulations. Then breathe easy knowing you made a difference for you and your family. So why aren't we preventing radon exposure and lung cancer? Awareness. Share this video and be part of the solution.